Okay, our first job is to download and install VirtualBox. If you already have VirtualBox on your machine, then you won't need this step. And so I'm just going to hold down the control key here and click this link. And that should bring up our web page where we can download. If you're running a Windows machine, you'll want to run this Windows hosts one. And if you're running Mac, you'll want to run the OS X. If you're running a Linux OS, then you'll want to run the Linux distribution. So I'm going to choose Windows hosts, and we will tell it to save that file. Since I'm running Firefox, I'll look up here in this upper corner for my file, and it should be here in just a moment. Now it's done, and I'll click it and we will install this thing. I'll just click next. And I will leave all of these defaults here. Next. I will leave all of these defaults here and click next. Proceed with installation now. Yes. And then install. Okay, I don't know if this shows up on the video or not, but here is a UAC, so I'm going to click yes. That may not have shown up on yours because it closes this window down when it shows up. There we go, and it is finished. I do not want to run it now, so I'll uncheck that box and I will just click finish. And there we go. We have VirtualBox up and running.